In the world of spices, cardamom stands out as a true health defender, offering not only a delightful flavor but also a plethora of medicinal benefits. From ancient Ayurvedic medicine to modern culinary practices, cardamom has been revered for its therapeutic properties. Let's delve into the world of cardamom and explore how this aromatic spice can bolster your health and invigorate your culinary creations. The power of cardamom. Cardamom, known scientifically as Elettaria cardamomum, is a member of the ginger family and is native to India, Bhutan, and Nepal. It boasts a distinct, sweet, and slightly spicy flavor that complements both sweet and savory dishes. However, its appeal extends far beyond its culinary use. Health benefits. Cardamom is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body and protect against oxidative stress. These antioxidants, along with its anti-inflammatory properties, make cardamom a potent ally in promoting heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Additionally, cardamom has been shown to aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and improving gut health. It can alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and nausea, making it a popular remedy in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda. Tips for harnessing cardamom's benefits. Use fresh pods. For the most intense flavor and aroma, opt for whole cardamom pods rather than pre-ground powder. Simply crush the pods to release the seeds before using them in your recipes. Incorporate into beverages. Add a few crushed cardamom pods to your morning coffee, tea, or smoothie for a fragrant and flavorful twist. Cardamom pairs particularly well with chai tea and hot chocolate. Spice up desserts. Enhance the flavor of your desserts by adding ground cardamom to baked goods like cookies, cakes, and muffins. It pairs beautifully with other warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Infuse savory dishes. Cardamom adds depth and complexity to savory dishes like curries, stews, and rice pilafs. Toast whole pods in a dry skillet before adding them to your recipes to release their essential oils and enhance their flavor. Create homemade spice blends. Blend ground cardamom with other spices like cinnamon, cloves, and ginger to create your own custom spice blends for seasoning meats, vegetables, and marinades. Delicious cardamom recipes. Cardamom-infused chai latte. In a saucepan, combine milk, black tea, crushed cardamom pods, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and a touch of honey. Simmer gently, then strain and serve hot for a comforting and aromatic beverage. Cardamom spiced granola. Toss rolled oats with melted coconut oil, honey, ground cardamom, cinnamon, nuts, and dried fruit. Bake until golden brown and crunchy for a nutritious and flavorful breakfast or snack. Cardamom orange chicken. Marinate chicken breasts in a mixture of orange juice, soy sauce, minced garlic, grated ginger, and ground cardamom. Grill or bake until cooked through for a flavorful and aromatic main dish. By incorporating cardamom into your culinary repertoire, you can elevate both the flavor and nutritional value of your meals while reaping the numerous health benefits this versatile spice has to offer. So embrace cardamom as your health defender and culinary companion, and let its aromatic charm enhance your well-being one dish at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.